Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, KavuCreative. Today, I will be crafting a Clover Heart logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. Double clicks on the artboard tool in the toolbar. Check mark on Show Center Mark in Display section, then press OK. Make fill off. Select Rectangular Grid tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center of Artboard. Write width and height as 200 pixels and write horizontal and vertical dividers as 1. Press OK. Select Ellipse tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center of Artboard. Write width and height as 100 pixels and press OK. Hold Shift plus Alt keys and make its copy to left side. Again, hold Shift key and drag it to bottom side. Select Ellipse tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center of Artboard. Write width and height as 35 pixels and press OK. Align it in top right corner, as I do. Hold Shift plus Alt keys and make its copy to left side. Again, hold Shift key and drag it to bottom side. Select all and select Shape Builder tool from Toolbar. Swap stroke to fill. Make heart shape as I do. When you combine the shapes, a plus sign will appear above them. Hold the Alt key and remove the shape. When you remove the shapes, a minus sign will appear above them. Select all and hold Shift key and select heart shape. Press Delete key. Hold Shift key and rotate it 45 degrees. Now align it center from Align panel. Hold Shift key and put it on center mark. Hold Shift key and press up arrow key. Select Rotate tool from Toolbar. Hold Alt key and left-click on Center of Artboard. Right angle as 90 degrees. Press Copy. Press Ctrl plus D 2 times. Change its color from color palettes. Select all. Right-click and select Group. Now it looks beautiful. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and have any questions, just drop a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you once more for your support